Good morning, guys. I am Sunil, and this is MS Classes. So, guys, today my new topic is linear equation in two variable, right? So, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं linear equation two variables की, but before starting linear equation in two variable, we will discuss about the linear equation in one variable. So, guys, first of all, we will discuss about the linear equation. So any equation in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. So the degree of any equation, any variable is 1, then this equation is a linear equation. And when the variable is only 1, then this equation is a linear equation in one variable. So कोई भी linear equation जो है one variable में कब होती है, जब उसमें सिर्फ सिंगल वेरिएबल हो, लाइक एक्स, ए एक्स प्लस बी. सो ए एक्स प्लस बी इक्वल टू 0. दिस कौन सी इक्वेशन है? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, राइट? सो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. सो लेट्स कम लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल, राइट? सो वन वेरिएबल. So this is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a comma b are real number, right? And x is a variable. x is a वेरिएबल. सो यहाँ पे a b क्या है? रियल नंबर, और x क्या है? वेरिएबल. सो ये कौन सी इक्वेशन? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. a x प्लस b, डिग्री कितनी है x की? 1. सो हियर डिग्री ऑफ x इज 1. दिस इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल. सो लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल of linear equation in one variable. This is 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. यह है linear equation in one variable. Now we have to find out the solution of this linear equation. How can we check? So guys, if we add or subtract same number to both side of equation, then there is no effect. यदि हम इस इक्वेशन में दोनों तरफ कोई भी नंबर ऐड करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो इक्वेशन पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आता है. नंबर सेकंड, इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन बाय नॉन नेगेटिव नंबर, देन देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट, राइट? यदि हम इस इक्वेशन के दोनों ओर कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करें या डिवाइड करें, लेकिन वो नंबर नॉन नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, नॉन ज़ीरो होना चाहिए, तो इस इक्वेशन में कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. लेट अस, सो हियर वी हैव ओनली प्लस 5. वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस प्लस 5 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड एंड वी टेक दिस 5 टू राइट साइड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल add. Here we have minus 5. So your first step is add 5 both side of equation, right? So we get 2x minus 5 as it is, this is before, plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 5. So we add plus 5 both sides. Now we see minus 5 and plus 5 both will cancel out. minus 5 और plus 5 cancel हो जाएंगे. We have left only 2x is equal to 5, right? Now we have coefficient of x 2. So when we divide 2x with 2 on both sides, then we get second step divide equation by 2 both sides. So when we divide this equation by 2, then we get 2x over 2 is equal to 5 over 2. So 2 cancel out. We have left only this is x is equal to 5 over 2. This is your solution. So guys, this is the solution of a linear equation in one variable. So guys, here we find one more thing. Every linear equation in one variable has unique solution. प्रत्येक लीनियर इक्वेशन जो वन वेरिएबल में है उसके पास यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होता है, राइट. सो एवरी लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल हैज यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, right. Now we will discuss about the linear equation in two variable, which is class 9 syllabus, right. This is your chapter linear equation in two variable. So this is your revise now linear equation in two variable. Guys, the linear equation in two variable is that linear equation two variable में कौन सी होती है? जनरल फॉर्म इज दिस इज ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. Here a, b and c are रियल नंबर और इंटीजर, ठीक है. रियल नंबर्स और इंटीजर. वन कंडीशन इज हियर आल्सो a, b not equal to 0, otherwise this will become, this has only constant term. So a and b when not 0, then this equation has a two variable. So variables are x comma y. So x comma y are variable. So x comma y क्या है? x comma y है variable. So guys, so how many solutions of this equation? इस equation के कितने solution हैं? So this equation have infinite many solution. इनफाइनाइट सोल्यूशन. कितने सोल्यूशन है? बहुत सारे. इनफाइनाइट सोल्यूशन, राइट. लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल हैज यूनिक सोल्यूशन एंड लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल हैज इनफाइनाइट मैनी सोल्यूशन. ओके, नाउ we have to find the solution of this equation. For that we have to take one question. So this question is 2x plus y plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. This is your question. This is linear equation in one variable and you have to find out the solution. You need that solution when you draw the graph, right. आपको solution कब चाहिए? जब आपने ग्राफ पेपर पे ग्राफ बनाना है, right. Now this is equation, every linear equation having degree 1. So guys, now to find solution we have 2x plus y is equal to 7. When minus 7 goes to right side, it will has positive sign. Negative sign will become positive. Now you see which number is smaller, 2x and y. Here the coefficient of y is only 1. then we have to take y on left side and 2x goes to right side. So when y is on left side and 7 is on right side, we have to change the position of a 2x only. When 2x goes to right side, its sign will change. Here this is plus 2x, to right side it will become minus 2x, right? So guys, अब ये मान लो this is equation number 1. First of all, put x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. We need to find out the 3 solution, at least 3 solution, but here we will find the 4 solution, right? So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. This is equal to 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 0 comma 7. This is the first solution. Put x is equal to 1. Then equation first become y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1, and this is equal to 7 minus 2, this is equal to 5. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 5. So guys, this is the second solution. This is your first solution, this is your second solution. Now if x is equal to 2, then equation first become, this is y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, this is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, 4, and this is equal to positive 3. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. This is the third solution of your linear equation. Now last solution is, if x is equal to 3, if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. This is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. This is equal to 1. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1. So ये आपके सॉल्यूशन, कितने सॉल्यूशन, 1, 2, 3 और 4. You have 4 solution of equation. That equation is y, sorry, that equation is 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now guys, if you make the table of these solutions, that table is like this, right? First of all, you have to make the 5 boxes. In here you have to write the value of x and y. When x is 0, then value of y is 7. When x is 1, value of y is 5. When x is 2, value of y is 3. When x is 3, value of y is 1. So guys, these are the solution. In this way you can calculate the infinite many solution. इस तरह आप लोग इस equation के infinite solution find कर सकते हो, right? So this is the equation in 2 variable. Guys, after that we will draw the graph, but that is our new class. In this class, I think you have been discussed and we have been discussed about the linear equation in 1 variable, linear equation in 2 variable, find out the solution of linear equation in one variable that is unique, and find out the solution of linear equation in two variables that are infinite. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and you find out the solutions, and you find out the solutions at your home from your book. I hope you got something and you got many things. This is very important for the examination point of view. So guys, I hope you find out the solution. You find out the solution of linear equation in two variable, also one variable at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.